How to use the pronunciation key in the dictionary. You will find the pronunciation key either in the front or the back of the dictionary. It shows you the symbols that tell you how to pronounce or sound out a word. The pronunciation of a word is in the parenthesis next to the word before the definition. Using the pronunciation key helps you to be able to pronounce an unfamiliar word correctly. A dictionary entry is a set of information that describes a word or phrase. It includes the entry word, how it is pronounced, part or parts of speech, definition or definitions, an example sentence, and the inflected forms. Below is an example of a dictionary entry. Stream. Yippee! When you come across a word, yippee! When you come across a word that you have never seen before, you not only will learn the definition of the word in your dictionary, but how to pronounce it too. If you have forgotten what each sound symbol means, simply go to the page in your dictionary that has the pronunciation key.